Are there any restrictions on the type of firearms allowed to be used for shooting pythons?
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the restrictions on the type of firearms allowed to be used for shooting pythons. Pythons are a challenging invasive species in certain regions, and firearm usage is one method employed to manage their population. Let's dive right in and explore the topic.
Understanding python management efforts.
Before we talk about the firearms used for shooting pythons, let's briefly understand the rationale behind python management efforts. Pythons, particularly Burmese pythons, have become a significant ecological problem in certain areas due to their rapid population growth and predation on native wildlife. Invasive species control programs have been implemented to curb their negative impact on the ecosystem.
Legal considerations and firearm regulations.
When it comes to using firearms for python management, it is crucial to understand the legal considerations and firearm regulations that apply. The specifics may vary depending on the jurisdiction, so it's important to consult the local laws and regulations in the area where you intend to participate in python control activities. In many cases, the use of firearms for python management is tightly regulated and requires proper permits and licenses. These regulations are in place to ensure safety, prevent unnecessary harm to other wildlife or property, and maintain responsible firearm use. Always abide by the local laws and regulations governing firearm usage to avoid legal issues.
Approved firearms for python control.
While the specific firearms approved for python control may vary depending on the location, there are typically guidelines and restrictions in place. These guidelines often focus on ensuring the effectiveness, safety, and humane treatment of the pythons. In some areas, shotguns and certain types of rifles may be permitted for python management activities. These firearms are chosen based on their capacity to deliver an effective shot and minimize the chances of wounding the python without immediate incapacitation. The use of certain types of ammunition may also be specified to ensure a humane and ethical approach.
Training and certification.
To participate in python control activities using firearms, it's essential to undergo proper training and obtain the necessary certification. Training programs often cover aspects such as firearm safety, marksmanship, python behavior, and species identification. Certification ensures that participants have the required knowledge and skills to carry out python management in a safe and effective manner. In conclusion, the use of firearms for shooting pythons is subject to regulations and restrictions to ensure safety, effectiveness, and ethical treatment of the invasive species. Always consult the local laws and regulations governing firearm usage and participate in proper training and certification programs. By doing so, we can work together to manage the python population and protect the native wildlife and ecosystems. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful. Stay informed and stay safe.